Hello and welcome back to another lesson with the Jofos IT Service Academy. This is the lesson 23 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. In lesson 22, we dealt with how to add the various colors, the background colors, the four colors to the various labels and the various fields here. So in this lesson, we are going to continue and add colors to some of the buttons here. We are going to add colors to some of the option buttons, the add photo buttons, and then the rest of the buttons appearing at the down here. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Check the description of this video for more video links to the school management system development training. Make sure that you check the description of this video for our WhatsApp channel link. You check the description for our WhatsApp group link. Then you check the description of this video for our contact information. All right, so let's just dive right into this lesson without wasting much time. So let's just close this one here. Then let's go back to the form. We click on it like this. Then let's just come to the add and save button there. So select like this. Then you select all like this. You select the three buttons here like this. Then we go to font. Let's go to font here. So we select a font for the three buttons there. So Times New Roman. Then we select the font size as 10. Then we are good to go. So let's come to the two buttons at the down here. Let's select those two buttons too, and let's do the necessary formattings on those buttons too. So let's go to font as usual, then Times New Roman, bold, then the font size should be 10 like this. Then let's come to the option buttons here. Okay, so let's come to the option buttons here. Select this one, all like this. Yes, select all like that. Then we go to font. So let's go to font. Where is my font? Good. So Times New Roman, we want it to be bold. Then we want the font size to be 10. Then we are good to go. Then let's go to this one here, the add photo button. Then let's come to font, Times New Roman, bold. Then the font size should be 10. Then okay, so we are good to go. So let's just give them color. So let's come to this one here, for color. So let's go to the palette. Let's give it some color like this. I think the black will be okay. Then let's go to back color. Let's change the back color to white. Since the background color is black, the back color should be white. Okay, so let's come to the down here. Let's go to add and save button. So let's go to the back color. Let's select a different color for that particular button. So let's give it something like this. I think the green is okay. So let's come to reset. So let's give it a back color like this. I think this is cool. No, let's change this one to this. Then the fore color should rather be white. The fore color should rather be white like this. I think we are good to go. So let's try to change this one to white. Let's change this fore color to white like this. Then we come to the close button here. We go to the close button. So let's just give it some nice background color. Let's just give it this background color like this. Okay, so let's just change the fore color to something like white. Good. So let's come to search. Let's come to the search here. Let's give it some nice background color. I think this color will be ideal. Let's try to change it a little bit and see. I think that color is almost the same as this one. So Okay, anyway, let's maintain it. Then let's change the font color to white like this. Then update, the update button, let's just give it some green background color. Let's give it some green background color like that. No, another button is having that green color. Okay, so let's give it a different color. I think that color will be okay. And then the font color, let's change the font color to white. Let's change the font color to white like this. So we have something nice like this. So let's just run it and see. Wow, so this is what we have now. This is what we have now. So we want to do some settings here. We want to change the colors of these two option buttons here to something like this light green here. Okay, so let's just close this one here. Then let's just select the form. Let's select the two option buttons here. So let's just select the two like this. Then let's go to back color. Then we come to this one. Let's give them some color like this. I think it's okay. Okay, let's just try to change it a little bit. I think this is cool. So we have that one to there up and running. Now let's do another changes here. So let's click on this one. Let's click on the form here. So let's change the name of this form. Let's change the name of the form here. So in changing the name of the form, let's just click on the form itself here outside like this. Good. So we can see the name at the top here. So let's change the caption to teachers data entry form. Teachers data entry form like that. So we have it at the top there. So let's just go to font color. Let's see if we can make some changes there. Then let's give it some color like this. Okay, so let's go to font here, Times New Roman. Let's make it bold. Let's make it 12. Then okay, so let's come to this one here. Let's search for something here, search for something here, search for something here. Okay, so let's click inside this frame here. So let's change it to enter teachers details. Enter teachers details like that. So we have that one too there. So let's hit enter. Then we come to font here, to Times New Roman. We make it bold to 10. Then we click on OK. So let's just increase the font size of that thing again to OK. So enter teachers details. So I think that one is cool. Let's just try to change the font color. Let's change the font color to something black like this. Good. I think this one is visible. So we don't want this video to be long, so we would like to end this video here and continue in the next lesson, which will be lesson 24. So thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.